Have you guys ever wondered how you could flex some heat while wearing a uniform? Then I got just the pair for you. This is the Air Jordan 1 patent leather in black and metallic gold. And today we're taking a closer look at it. Most of the panels of the upper of this Jordan 1 is made out of patent leather. Well, all of it is made out of patent leather. It's kind of difficult not to notice. But of course, you'll notice highlights of gold on the swoosh, the Air Jordan Wings logo, and of course the back panel here. We can also see gold letterings on the tongue tab and on the insole. What most people won't notice though is the gold stitching on the midsole. You guys really have to take a closer look at it. All over the stitching of this midsole is made out of that gold thread. The midsole is made out of rubber, and of course your outsole is your typical Jordan 1 outsole. Now I've seen some pictures online of a security guard wearing these J's at work, and not belittling the shoes nor the job, but it is kind of fitting because for the security guards, especially here, they have to wear black patent leather shoes. And hey, this is black and it's just fitting for them to wear these J's if you guys want to flex some heat. But of course for school, I don't know, some schools are very strict when it comes to uniforms. So don't attempt those. I dig it for people wearing these in uniform, but if you're not gonna wear it for uniform, then I don't really like it that much. It's just all patent leather and it's just not my style. Now it's not a J1 without some hype to it. This is not your ordinary black patent leather kicks. You could add some hype and some pop with the extra laces. You get that gold, almost cream-like extra laces that will give more pops on the upper. And who doesn't want that? The gold laces definitely adds an appeal to the sneakers because it isn't a J1 without some hype. And personally, I don't really love these because it's all patent leather. I'm not a big patent leather fan. I love it on the Jubilees though, on the J's, on the J11s, because it's not all patent leather. There are other patent leather Jordan 1s that are better looking, to say the least, like the recently restocked Fearless Jordan 1s. And those look insane. Those patent leather blue and that red here at the front, it's just beautiful. But if it's an all black patent leather, not really my type. Of course, there are other colorways of patent leather, and I'll just show you guys some pictures of it. So if you guys want to rock these, then go ahead to Shirology Manila in Facebook. And I know they still have some pairs left there. And go ahead. Those pairs are waiting to be worn by you. So do you guys love the patent leathers on the Jordan 1s? Or do you want Jordan brand to just, minimize their patent leather usage because it's just too shiny? Although the black one, I don't really, enjoy the black sneakers for some reason. If they made this, not patent leather, then I think we'll be fine. It is what it is. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. God bless.